Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, in-depth beauty reviews that help you make informed decisions. Now imagine the warmth of the sun, that golden glow you wish you could keep year-round. Well, today's product might just help you achieve that sun-kissed radiance, no matter the season. Let's talk about the Estée Lauder Bronze Goddess Powder Bronzer. This bronzer promises a soft, matte finish with buildable coverage that's perfect for creating that natural, bronzed look. We've got 0.74 ounces of finely milled powder in the shade 02 Medium, a color that's designed to complement a variety of skin tones. If you've ever wondered how to achieve that perfect sun-kissed glow without looking like you've just walked out of the beach, this might be your answer. So what's inside the formula? As a matte powder, it offers a smooth texture with a light, buildable coverage that can be layered to create the intensity you prefer. What's also important here is how it blends into the skin. It's a key feature that many bronzers fail to perfect, but I'm happy to say that this one delivers. In terms of real-world usage, applying this bronzer was pretty effortless. The powder is finely milled, which means it doesn't sit on top of the skin, but rather blends in seamlessly. It's a lightweight formula that feels comfortable and doesn't get cakey as you build up the coverage. I wore it throughout the day, and I have to say, it didn't fade, and it stayed matte even as the hours passed, something not all matte bronzers can claim. On the flip side, as someone who typically likes a bronzer with more impact, I found the coverage to be on the lighter side. While it's buildable, it took a little longer to reach the intensity I was looking for. If you prefer something that gives you a quick, bold bronzed look, this one might require a few layers, which could be a bit time-consuming for some. The pros are definitely the texture and blendability. It feels smooth and natural on the skin, and the matte finish is perfect for those who want to avoid shimmer. Plus, the shade range is versatile, with 02 Medium being a solid middle ground for a variety of skin tones. On the downside, the packaging is simple. It's functional, but it doesn't feel luxurious for a high-end product like Estée Lauder. While that doesn't take away from the product's performance, it would have been nice to see something a bit more polished for the price point. When it comes to value for money, this is where we need to pause for a second. At just under $40 for 0.74 ounces, it's on the pricier side. If you're after something more affordable that gives you similar results, there are other bronzers out there that may fit your budget without compromising on quality. However, if you're willing to splurge a bit for the Estée Lauder brand and its renowned formula, you're getting a solid, dependable product that delivers the desired finish without breaking down throughout the day. Now, as for comparisons, I've tried bronzers from brands like Benefit and NARS, which are often competitors in this price range. While the NARS Laguna bronzer offers a slightly more intense payoff with a hint of shimmer, the Estée Lauder Bronze Goddess stays true to its matte roots and focuses more on subtle, buildable warmth. It's a bit more natural, which could be appealing if you prefer a no-makeup look. Looking at build quality and longevity, I was impressed with how long it lasts on the skin. It doesn't oxidize or fade, and there's no patchiness, which is always a win. The powder's fine texture means it doesn't settle into pores or fine lines, which can sometimes be a concern with matte powders. As for customer support, Estée Lauder is known for its solid reputation and customer service. I didn't have a reason to reach out directly, but if you do, they are generally responsive and helpful in addressing inquiries. If you're looking for alternatives, there are a few bronzers that might be worth considering. The Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer is another favorite of mine. It's similar in shade range and buildable coverage, but the texture is a little more velvety and it's slightly more affordable. To wrap things up, the Estée Lauder Bronze Goddess Powder Bronzer is a fantastic choice for those who love a natural matte bronzer that delivers a soft, buildable coverage. While it's on the pricier side, it's a great product if you're looking for something that's comfortable, long-wearing, and versatile. If you love a warm, sun-kissed glow that stays in place throughout the day, you'll definitely get your money's worth. Mid-review call to action. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description or comments for the link to purchase. If you've used the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess Powder Bronzer, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.